And always think ahead. So as soon as you find it, what are you gonna do next?
Next heading for 118 and 2000 feet, and it will take about 2.3.
Okay, nice, very good.
Yep.
And also we can do position report, we have a little time. So this over there, 4 miles south of us, is Fullerton Airport.
Fulham?
Fullerton. So this is how it's spelled. Fullerton.
Fullerton.
Fullerton Airport, yes.
Oh, okay.
So we can do position report and say...
4 miles north of the Fullerton?
Exactly, 4 miles north of Fullerton Airport, heading eastbound. And,
okay.
And the altitude, of course.
Elevation Helicopter 80 Hotel, 4 miles north of the Fullerton Airport, and heading to east and 2,000 feet elevation.
Okay, do you see the tank farm already?
Tank farm?
Not a tank, it's not a farm, it's one tank.
Over there?
No. So if we keep this heading, we're gonna bust Fullerton airspace.
Okay.
So we have to avoid it.
Is there a tank?
This one?
Yeah,
yes.
this one. Yeah,
nice.
that's a larger one.
That's it. So let's fly north of this one.
Okay.
So now we have our checkpoint, so we see it, so we can
okay.
fly to it.
Fly over the tank farm.
Yes, and then we look for the antennas.
Antennas.
And the antennas, I have to be honest, are sometimes really hard to see.
Yeah.
Because they are very thin.
Yeah.
Depends on the weather condition and the light, they are really hard to see.
Okay.
So I can give you a little tip. The antennas are on a mountain or on a hill.
Yeah.
Close to the big street over there.
Yeah.
That goes into the mountain. And at the bottom of the antennas is a white house.
White House?
Yes.
Okay.
So let's first just fly north of the tank.
Yeah.
We gained a little altitude, so we can just fly 80 and maybe descend a little bit back to 2000. Because this is your goal, right? 2000. Yes.
Yep.
I can raise collective a little bit, we are descending very fast. Only a little bit there. And now this is the tank farm, so you can, the tank, so you can fly, again you're heading A2 and look for the antennas.
Okay, 118.
No, we are still looking for the antennas.
Antennas?
A2, heading A2 is good, just keep flying.
I keep flying, okay.
So, you said it's gonna take 6 minutes, so we are already flying about 6 minutes.
6 minutes.
So it should be very close. So it's close to this big road.
Yeah.
And there is a white house at the bottom of the antenna.
Okay. I can see that.
Nice, you see the house?
Antennas, yeah.
You see the antennas as well?
Yeah,
nice.
yeah.
Okay. Then to stay out of Fullerton, we have to go pretty close. So Fullerton airspace is right here, right next to us.
Okay.
So we have to be very close to the antennas. We don't want to overfly it, but go pretty close. So just fly straight to it.
Okay.
And as soon as we are close, you go to your next heading, 118.
Yeah.
But now we just fly straight.
The water treatment plant over there.
And we are a little high again.
Yeah, decreasing. 80 knots.
Okay, here are the antennas. Oi, oi, oi. Okay, so now we are pretty close, so you can fly your next heading.
Yeah.
Or do you see the treatment plant?
Yeah, I can see it.
Then you can just fly straight to it. Let's just check your nav log. I'm gonna start a timer and check.
Okay.
So how long do we take for that?
118.
And how long?
2.3.
Okay, so 0.3 means 20 seconds about, right? So 2 minutes, 20 seconds.
Yeah.
Let's see if this works out. Let's try to keep 80 and then we see if your calculations are right. And also, they're getting slowly pretty close to Corona.
Yeah.
So we can already prepare everything for Corona.
Okay.
Because now we have a little time. Let's fly 80. And you can think, what do you need for Corona?
80s. Listen to 80s.
AVOS, yes. In Corona they don't have 80s, they have AVOS.
AVOS?
Yeah, so it's automated.
Okay.
It's not a voice.
Okay.
So you can already prepare the frequency.
Okay. 132 170. 175.
Okay.
Yeah. One three two 175.
Nice. Yeah, as soon as we are over the water treatment plant,
Yep.
you can do a last call, so we can tell them elevation, A3 hotel over water treatment plant, 2000 feet,
Yeah.
heading eastbound, last call.
Okay, heading eastbound.
Elevation, helicopter AC hotel over water treatment plant, 2000 feet, and heading eastbound. Let's go. Elevation.
Nice. Then on the way from this point to your next point, we can listen to the AVOS then, because
Yeah.
then we have a lot of time.
Okay.
What is your next heading?
Next heading 112.
112, okay. That's very accurate. So it's gonna be hard to fly, you can just fly 100.
Yeah.
Yes. 112, yeah, okay. 112. Okay, now we have exactly 2 minutes 20 seconds and we are exactly over the water treatment plants. So perfect calculation, 2.3 was perfect.
Yeah.
I'm gonna start it again.
Yeah, 112 for 4 minutes.
4 minutes, okay. You know, 2000 feet. Yeah, 2000, okay. So let's, you already changed the frequency, okay, nice.
Okay.
Then,
And gauge check.
so normally we should hear the AVOS now, but we are too far away.
Okay.
Yeah, gauge check is a good idea.
Yeah, 123 green, F center, curve time is auto yellow, no one yellow, no crucial light, is green.
And fuel,
Here, Molden up.
and also part of the gauge check. Okay, nice. You can also prepare the frequency we're gonna use next.
Okay. Corona CTOP 1227.
Okay. Nice.
Corona Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation. 2040 Zulu. Wind 260 at 09er. Peak gust 15. Visibility 10.
Did you hear the wind?
Sky conditions few.
Huh?
Did you hear the wind?
4.
No.
Okay, let's try again.
Temperature 24 Celsius.
Temperature 24.
3
Yeah.
Celsius. Altimeter 29er. 8.
2998.
The altitude 1,700. Corona Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation. 2041 Zulu. Wind 260 at
260.
09er. Peak gust 15.
260
Yeah.
at 9er,
And 9er.
gust 15.
Yeah.
4,400.
So
We're gonna use for 1825.
that's a good idea, nice.
Yeah.
Maybe now we can, we are already on with Corona, so we can listen. Maybe we hear somebody landing there.
Okay.
So Santa Ana Canyon is not just one specific point, it's this whole area over there.
Yeah.
So this area where the big road goes to the right into the canyon,
Yeah.
this intersection of the roads, this is Santa Ana Canyon.
Okay.
So you can just fly straight to this intersection. A little right,
Middle light.
a little bit right, yes.
Okay.
So this area is called Santa Ana Canyon, yeah.
I got it. Santa Ana Canyon.
Yes. So when we are over there,
Front traffic on Tango Foxtrot is turning left base runway 25 front.
then we can do a position report and tell Corona traffic, 83 Hotel, over Santa Ana Canyon.
Traffic light for 397 Alpha is making a right here for left downwind 25.
They're using 25, you heard that?
Yeah.
So we can say we are inbound for landing at runway 25.
Okay.
But let's go a little closer and then we do that.
Okay.
And also, think about what is next. What do you have to do when you are...
I got it.
Traffic light Tango Foxtrot, please the final runway 25. Sure, traffic light for 397 Alpha, and leave the numbers left downwind 25, full stop Corona.
Okay, now we reached 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
So we are over Santa Ana Canyon. So
Yeah.
pretty good calculation.
Yep. Now positional report, maybe.
Okay.
Okay.
Corona traffic, helicopter AC Hotel over Santa Ana Canyon. Heading east and inbound for landing at runway 25, Corona.
Nice. Yeah, you don't have to tell them when heading east, you just inbound. Because they know where you are and that you're coming inbound. So then they know exactly